If you need your carpets cleaned in Tehaleh, Bonnie Lake, Puyallup area, call these guys. They do an amazing job. They do carpets, they get slime out, paint out, so parents, you understand. They get pet stains out. They do an amazing job, and their customer service is really, really good. Give them a call.
If you need your carpet stretched or repaired, give us a call.
Today, I had Chubby Chubby Carpet Cleaning come out to clean one of my listings. They did a fantastic job, and I refer them to anybody that I know.
We can roll the cleaning and repair fees into escrow.
Hi, I'm a real estate agent.
If you're a realtor or property manager, give us a call. We have the best referral programs.
If you need your carpets cleaned, you need to call Chubby Chubby.